What going on? Don't know me the on me and just it. Sunrise and just usual is it. Right now some fruit juice man, I'll blend up your zit. You actually the banana that man, I'll show you the rest of it. Me pee zit, but actually the banana that man I go use. Fruit juice settings down. Yeah man, actually then I blend up your zit. And the juice that. And you don't know the recipe where you see cut up in this, you don't know a sour sap you have this, you don't. You have banana, yeah. You have carrot, you have plum, you have beetroot, you got gooseberry, and you got ginger, you see it? So all of them this me cut up together, you see it? So you know, say, a blend man, I will blend up this and I make some juice. Yeah, see water, yeah. Is it? Don't know a certain thing, said. Yeah, man. Original fruit juice, sunrise style. Out the beach and something, the place pretty and thing, is it? Yeah, man. Yeah. Is it? Certain look. Yeah, actually, see me, original fruit juice down. Start blending now down. See and look. Yeah man, remember them and I blend up your zit. Is it original fruit juice? Yeah, the banana when I put in it, I'm gonna make it thick. Yeah, that's how I put the banana in it and the sour sap so that I get a body. Is it? Yeah, man, as you put it. Yeah, man, that's how man do it, is it? Sunrise ends on normal. Yeah, man, look out I see there, you see yacht. Is it? Down. Happy day. Original fruit juice, man, I go now, today. Is it? In a way. Yeah man, I saw a thing set man. Just tune in to Sunrise Kitchen and come chill back and eat some good food and relax down. Yeah man. You wanna see? Yes, the ingredients I remember when I said ginger, beetroot, gooseberry, plum, sour sap, banana and carrot. And that me blend up together, you see it? Yeah man. Yeah, see look. Actually I go strain them off here now and sweeten him now, you see it? Yeah. I go strain them off and sweeten him so. You see what I go on, but otherwise a nice original juice this for your body, is it? Yeah man, Sunrise boss, is it? You actually see me, you know. And sweet, you see? Nice, rich, original fruit juice. Yeah, man. Sunrise settings, you see it? Yeah, see waitress them there. You don't know me squeeze a lime and I use the sugar sweetening. Have a cup there and now I'm want to taste some. You see it? See it? Look on it, look nice, don't? Yes, man, you know, look nice. Taste nice, man. You see it? Cheers. Yeah, man. I want in the shorter. I tell you why shorter. The shorter so more people to come help me drink it off because I won't eat you see. That's the only thing the shorter. Original fruit juice. Yeah, man, you see it? Big man cup, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I say things set, you see it? Real. Yeah, man. Just make sure you keep on like my video and share my video and subscribe to my channel because you don't know. Alright, boss, you see it? Sunrise, boss, down. Yeah, man. I one love, you see it?